Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very exciting video. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but I have been asked to style a room and entryway in the local Parade of Homes house. And if you don't know what that is, because I just assumed that every town did it. I don't know, but there were people on Instagram when I was talking about it did not know what it is. Let me tell you. So it is a way for contractors to showcase their work, and so they allow the public to walk through these homes that they've built, and some of them are for sale, some of them are not. The one that we are doing, I believe, is for sale. But I'm so excited about it. And I'm also really excited that Ashley Furniture partnered with me to do this space. I'm so excited. I picked out some awesome pieces and I just kind of want to take you along the journey with me. I'll give you a little tour of the house. And then I will walk you through like what my ideas are, and then show you me decorating it, and then I'll give you like a full tour when everybody's done. So how this is working is there's a gal in our town who put this together, and she hand selected, I think there's 8 of us. It's a big house. So somebody's doing a section of the house. So somebody's doing the master bedroom, I'm doing the living room and the entry, somebody's doing a bedroom. Anyway, you get the idea. So once everybody's done, I thought it would be so fun to take you like on a tour to see how everybody else decorates. So we're not going for like a theme in the house. Everybody is just showcasing their own style, and I think it's gonna be so fun. So subscribe to my channel, because I don't think I'll show you the full tour in this video, because it's not going to be done for a little bit. I'm just doing my part today and tomorrow. So subscribe so you can see the full tour of the whole house done, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It really helps out my channel. And let's get going. I'm going to go now to pick up the furniture, and I will give you a tour when I get there. Okay, so this is what we're working with in here. Let me take my shoes off. So this is like the main wall. So the fireplace isn't centered, which is kind of throwing me off, but we're gonna make it work. And then we've got some really big windows over here. And then just, oh, let's fix the coloring. There we go. And then just a big wall. And then that's like the kitchen, like where you put your table, and then it's an open to the kitchen. Okay, we've got this as good as it's going to get. It's actually quite difficult since there's like nothing to center the furniture on, so we decided to center everything on this wall. And anyway, let me just show you. These are some gray. These are like my favorite chairs that I got. They're all from Ashley. All the furniture is from Ashley Furniture. And the couch looks really nice. I was trying to go play off the slate that's on the fireplace with the dark cabinet back there. But still, obviously, there's lots of different wood tones in here. I think he said it was hickory, but I couldn't, like, they don't make furniture that's hickory. So I went with this light wood here, but I also really liked these pieces together. I was kind of going for more of like a restoration hardware vibe, like less is more type, but with these bigger furniture pieces. So, and then I have this mirror over here. I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna put it yet. I might put it in the entryway. So yeah, this is what we got going so far. I think it's gonna be so fun. And I can't wait to show you everybody else's rooms because they're so cute. Okay, where am I at? Okay, it's the next day. I am at Ashley. Can you see that? Ashley Furniture. You saw last night we set up all the big pieces, and now today I'm going in here to find all of the accessories. So I thought I would take you along. Okay, so I have all my stuff laid out on this table, and I picked a bunch of pillows. I might have to come back for some more things, but for now this is what we're working with. I'll have all these pillows, and then this console table. So I think it's gonna look really fun. Look how cute this is. This little fur, and then that blanket down there is really fun, and these baskets. Some little jacks for accent pieces. I have some baskets and this really darling lamp. I think this lamp would be really cute on my black console table that I got. So, lots of stuff. Okay, the last time you saw me, I was at Ashley and I had picked out all my accent pieces, and so I'm gonna show you how everything came together for the big reveal. So I look scary, but it's been a long weekend. So it's Sunday and I'm just finishing up. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, here is an overview of the room. I love how it turned out, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna start on this wall over here. I will link everything I can in the description box below if you are interested in any of the things I show you. So these baskets came in a set of 3, and I decided that this wall is huge. You can't really tell. Let me see. It goes clear up. And so I needed some symmetry on this wall. I had just this, and I thought, oh, I needed something on both sides, and I didn't really have anything. So I compromised and I used these baskets. Just a little bit of detail, decor. Really cute. And then my favorite piece of art is this little cow or bowl, whatever you want to call it. Isn't he cute? And then the this looks like metal, but it's actually wood. It's really pretty. And then I just have a cute little greenery here, and then little few decor pieces. I try to keep it pretty simple over there. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this was my favorite part of the house. I need to fix my lamp and my mess back there, but I'll clean it up. I just love these chairs. Aren't they so cute? I'll give you a close-up of the texture of these pillows because it's amazing. And then this one's kind of like a basket weave. And then this rug is also from Ashley. And let me just tell you one thing. I buy cheap rugs all the time from Rugs USA or whatever, but I have never owned a really nice rug. Obviously this isn't mine, I'm just borrowing it, but you guys, there is a difference. And if you're doing a space that you want to last forever, you need a good rug. I really love this one. Okay, and then I have the coffee table with the matching end table, and I wanted to do a lamp. That was my first choice, but then I thought it was just too many lamps. 2 there and then 1 over here on the side. So I just went with this big piece of decor with some little greenery pieces. And then this sectional couch, it's like a light gray color. And I paired it with all of these cream and tan pillows just to add, it just adds lots of texture because these pillows are like a burlap. This has like a rope detail, and then again with a basket weave, and then the white textured one, and then this one has little nubs on it, and then I added more texture with this beautiful throw, and then just 2 more pillows over here. And so I did 3 pillows over here, obviously because it's the longer side, and just 2 pillows over here. And I think it looks really cute. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. Okay, and then I have these baskets over here with a little throw in there. This little decor piece. Again, I was just working with what I had, but you guys, I'm really proud of myself because I think it came together so beautifully. And then I have this big urn with leaves in it, and the mirror and this little white decor piece. And then here, I wanted to show you. So if you can see the two outlets, in between there is where a TV goes. I'm not sure if we're gonna get one mounted or not before the home show, but I just wanna give you an idea. I kept it very simple. You know I love open shelves and you know I love to decorate them. But on these ones, in this space, it just needed to be super simple. And so I got these jacks. Aren't they fun? I feel like that would definitely be something you would see at Restoration Hardware, along with this. And then some books with some really cute bookends. They're little cameras. And I'm actually gonna just leave the top one empty, just because it's so high up there. And I'm not sure exactly what to put up there where it's so high. And then this is not from Ashley, but you guys, I needed something to fill this space and I didn't have anything. So I brought stuff from home. So I brought my little bench, again with 2 Ashley pillows and a little plant. And how cute is this? I got this at Target just yesterday for this space, but I figured I could use it anywhere in my house for my, like when I have a mud room, I could put it in there, put it in my entryway or whatever. It's really cute. And so that is what you see from right there. So let me give you a little couple different angles of the room so you get an idea how pretty. I'm gonna do a video talking about this experience because I feel like it's important to share how we view ourselves. So stay tuned for that. I've learned a lot this last week about myself, and we don't give ourselves enough credit. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're local and you check out this house, I'd love to know what you think. And I will leave all of the details in the description box below. But my next video, I'm gonna tour the rest of the house and show you how beautiful everybody else did, and I will have everybody's linked. So subscribe so you don't miss that, and I will catch you guys next time. Take care.